Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipnaya. No? In this video ay tuturuan natin yung series natin on calculus. No? Naalala niyo pa ba itong formula na to? This is the definition of derivative. No? And kung naalala niyo before, after natin mag-discuss nito, we had several examples. No? We solved several examples. Bigla ko na lang kaagad binigay sa inyo itong mga formulas na to. Ang tanong, saan ba galing yung mga formulas na yan? No? Saan ba nagaling itong mga formulas na to? May connection ba ito dito? The answer is yes. No? In fact, no, lahat ng mga formulas na yan can be derived from this formula, from this definition. No, ayoko lang kayong biglain sa mga previous videos. Kaya ngayon, since nagamit nyo na to at saka nakapag-solve na kayo ng derivative, i-connect na natin no, yung definition doon sa mga formulas. So, let's start with the constant rule, no? Later, pag i-derive din natin ito sa mga later videos, no? So, f of x equals c, no? If f of x equals c, no? Then f prime of x is equal to 0. No? So, dapat maipakita natin that from this formula ay madiderive natin yung f prime of x is equal to 0. So, from this formula, f prime of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x, no? Over h. No? And pag pinag-uusapan natin ay constant function, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Anong alam niyo sa constant function? It's horizontal line, di ba? F of x equals. Alam natin from algebra that the slope of a horizontal line is 0. Pero dito, i-derive natin siya from the definition of derivative. No? So, f of x equals c. Anong mapapansin nyo? Lahat ng f of x niya, pare-pareho kasi constant function siya. At this point, f of x equals c. At this point, f of x equals c. In fact, all the points. No? Kung ano may value ng c mo. For example, f of x equals 1. So, lahat yan, puro 1 yung y value niya. So, ito, ibig sabihin yung f of x na yan, c yan, di ba? Kasi kahit saan naman siya c. So, limit, magiging c minus c siya, di ba? So, the limit as h approaches 0 of c minus c. Remember, yung f of x plus h is the y value. This is also the y value. And pag constant function, lahat ng y value niya, y values anywhere, is equal to a particular, constant siya, di ba? 1, pag 1 siya, 1 lahat yan, yung y value. Pag 3 yan, 3 lahat. Pag c, c lahat, di ba? So, c minus c over h. And c minus c is 0 over h. 0, so the limit as h approaches 0 of 0, this is equal to 0. So, we have shown that f prime of x is equal to 0 by definition. No? So, yung mga ibang formulas later ay isosolve din natin, and just a brief review, anong ulit yung meaning nito, graphical meaning yan. Since maiksi lang itong video na ito, bibigyan ko ulit kayo ng review. No? So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, meron tayong this is x, no? We are looking actually for the slope, no, of the tangent line. So, meron tayong x, meron tayong f of x, and meron tayong tangent line. Meron tayong tangent line here. And we want to find the slope, di ba? And para mahanap natin yung slope, may problema tayo kasi isa lang yung point. Alala nyo pa din yung discussion na to? So, ang ginawa natin is to approximate. To approximate by assigning another point, no, doon sa function. This is a function f. And dito, this is h away from x, no? So, from here to here is h, meaning x plus h2. At yung y-coordinate nito ay f of x plus h. Ang gusto natin hanapin yung slope, di ba? Slope nung nung function na yan na dumadaan dyan sa dalawang points. No? So that the slope is actually the y sub 2. This is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, yung f of x. So f of x plus 2. F of x plus h. This is our y sub 2 minus f of x. Yung y sub 1 natin over x sub 2, x plus h minus x sub 1. So, dyan nanggaling itong formula to kasi maka-cancel yan, di ba? Ito yung slope ng secant line. But we want this slope to be, we want to approximate the slope of the tangent line, di ba? Kaya gagawin natin, paliliitin natin yung h para lumapit tong point na to dito. Kaya nandun yung limit of h, limit as h approaches 0. So, pwede nyo balikan yung discussion na yan no, I think sa 2.0 and 2.01 up to 2.02 yata, if I'm not mistaken. So, yun. Dito na galing yung formula na yan. At kinoconnect natin siya dun sa mga formulas na binigay ko sa inyo. No? Dito sa 8. Walo ba yan? No, hindi. 6 lang. 6 na formulas. No? So, we will be discussing some of these later, no? If not all. No? Particularly ito. Ito kasi ang kailangan kasi natin dito ng binomial theorem, no? Binomial expansion. Hindi ko pa yan nadi-discuss. So, ipopost ko yung video nito in derivation. Medyo mahaba yan. Pag napag-aralan na natin yung binomial theorem o yung binomial expansion. No? Of course, medyo mahaba ito but you can derive all of them from the definition of derivative. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa maiksing tutorial natin. So, kayo invite sa ating YouTube channel na mag-subscribe kayo, no? And then, sa ating Facebook page, pwede kayo mag-follow, pwede kayo mag-like, and sa ating website, of course. If you like this video, just click the like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.